Warwaku kendo nyikwa Ramogi. Jatend migawo mar wuoth Kipchumba Murkomen ochuogo komiti makende madhi timo nonro ewi chenro mag dongo pewe mag ndege pacho kaendi. Komiti no dhi nono chal mar paw ndege mar JKIA, alap ma Moi, Mombasa kod mano mar Wilson mondo mi oyangi lokruok ma owinjore time igi kanyo. Okang' ma kama biro bang' odundu barore kendo chako keyo pi e paw ndege mar JKIA.
This facility, as you may have seen as members of the press, is aging. It was constructed in 1978, commissioned in 1978. It's older than myself. And this infrastructure has not received the adequate attention in terms of maintenance that is required. I said yesterday and I repeat, it is the responsibility of all of us who have been in leadership in the past and past administration to be held to account for the neglect of this very important facility, and not just this one but the other airports.